Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Nintendo channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to install a universal updater for your Nintendo 2DS or 3DS system. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description and it will take you to a GitHub page. Once you're here, you want to scroll down until you see the CIA file. But just before you download it, I want to quickly explain what it actually is. The universal updater is a library full of homebrew applications and homebrew games, as well as emulators. It does have files and applications that can be used for different things, but yeah. So you want to go to the link in the description, which will take you to this GitHub page, and yeah, you can scan this QR code in if you would like, but I will make a separate video on scanning QR codes within FBI. There's a 3DSX version and a .cia version, so if you want to download it via 3DSX, you can, but I'm going to be using the CIA version. So what you want to do is you want to click this big blue button that says universal updater.cia. You want to click on it, you want to wait for it to download, and then you want to come down here, and click this, and then click show in folder. But if you accidentally get rid of it, or it accidentally disappears, I'm going to purposely get rid of mine, just as a demonstration. If that happens, you can click Ctrl and J on your keyboard, and you can see this. What you want to do is you want to click show in folder from here, and now you have the CIA file. From here you want to plug in your SD card to your system. If you don't have an SD card reader, I would recommend buying an adapter. So I would recommend dragging and dropping this onto the root of your SD card. It will automatically copy it over, but you can cut it and paste it. So once it's on the root of your SD card, you can full screen this if you want. So once you have the CIA file, you want to move it to your CIA folder. If you don't have a CIA folder, I would recommend creating one now, but you do have to have a homebrewed or modded, homebrew/modded 3DS or 2DS system. If you don't, then this tutorial will not work for you. If you want me to make a separate video on FBI, then just leave a comment down below and I will do so. So you want to move it to your CIA folder, and if you don't have one, just create one. From here, you want to make sure it's in there, and you want to eject the SD card. What you want to do is you want to go over to the File Explorer panel right here, and you want to right click it and click eject. If this comes up, you can close it and then try again. Okay, I will see you when I'm... Right, what you need to do now is you need to unplug the SD card from your system, and you want to put it back into your 3DS. I will see you when I'm there. Alright, so once you have your 2DS or 3DS system boot up FBI, you will usually have this on if you've modded your 2DS or 3DS system. If you have a pin, I'll ask you to enter in that pin, but I do have one, so I'm just going to quickly blur that. I know there's no harm in actually showing it, since, you know, it's only dangerous if someone actually gets access to my local device. But you don't have to be too safe now, can you? Go to CIAs, and then go to the universal updater.cia. I'd recommend installing and deleting CIA, but I might mess up the recording, so I'm going to click install CIA. Wait for it to download. Once it's all finished, click OK, and then click the home button. Wait for it, and a present should pop up, and it says new software has been added to the home menu. Click OK. And there you have it, Universal Updater. I won't show any more of this, since you can just explore and you can do whatever you want within the application. If you have any issues with the application, please comment down below and I will try to resolve the issue. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.